Installing reinforcement on an inside 90-degree corner requires specific steps. First, check your wall plan to determine reinforcement lengths and elevations. Cut your reinforcement to the lengths identified in your wall plan. Pay attention to the reinforcement strength direction. The next step is placement of the reinforcement. Check your plan for the total proposed height of the wall. Let's call this number H. H divided by 4 equals how far the reinforcement should extend beyond the front of the adjoining wall. Measure this distance from the front of the adjoining wall. Begin your grid placement here. Remember, reinforcement must be properly installed within 1 inch of the face of the block. The next section of reinforcement on the adjoining wall can then be placed. Reinforcement should not overlap. It should lie flush with the previously placed section. Now install the next courses of block. Alternate the reinforcement extension on each course where reinforcement is required.